Best electric kettles listed in this video considering their performance versus price. The kettles mentioned here are not in any exact order, so watch till the end of this video to find out which electric kettle is the best for you. And check out product links in the description below for updated price and more information. First off, Ovente electric glass kettle. Next up, Hamilton Beach Gooseneck electric kettle. If you are interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, check out product links in the description below for updated price and more information. And now let's push ahead with our list. HadinEEon variable temperature electric kettle. Next up, Dualit electric kettle. Last but not the least, Smeg retro style aesthetic electric kettle. Check out product links in the description below for price, customer reviews and more information of these best electric kettles. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to this channel to get notified of our upcoming videos. Please feel free to share your own review as well as comments, questions, or disagreements about these best electric kettles.